Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking Miles. Craving a delicious cake but want to keep it healthy and guilt-free? This oats and carrot cake has no all-purpose flour, no sugar, yet it's incredibly soft, moist and full of flavor. This is Ranjita. Today I'm bringing you a super healthy and tasty cake recipe that you can enjoy without any guilt. Made with the rolled oats and natural sweetness. This cake is perfect for breakfast, tea time or even as a nutritious dessert. So why wait? Let's get started with easy, healthy and delicious recipe. To naturally sweeten our cake, I am soaking dates in boiling water for about 10 minutes. This will make them soft and easy to blend. While the dates are soaking, let's prepare our almond powder. I am grinding about 10 to 15 almonds. Next, I am peeling and grating fresh carrots. This adds natural sweetness and moisture to our cake. Now that our dates are soft, I am removing the seeds and grinding them into a rough paste. This will blend smoothly into our cake mixture. To add a fresh citrusy flavor, I am taking some orange zest. It makes the cake extra refreshing. Now, I am juicing 2 fresh oranges and setting the juice aside. This will bring a light and natural sweetness to our batter. For the base, I am using 2 cups of rolled oats. To soften them, I am adding hot milk and mixing well. Next, I am adding the grated carrots and giving it a quick mix. Now I am adding our almond powder and ground dates, followed by the fresh orange juice, mixing everything well until well combined. Time to add our dry ingredients. Half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. This adds a nice balance of flavors. A final mix and our cake batter is ready. I am lining my oven safe dish with butter paper and spreading the batter evenly. Now into oven at 180 degrees Celsius, baking for 25 to 30 minutes until golden brown. While the cake bakes, let's make a delicious creamy frosting. I'm adding 1 cup of Greek yogurt, soft cheese and 60 ml of organic honey and then whisking until smooth. Now, adding some orange zest and whipping cream and whisking again until light and creamy. Our oat cake base is ready. I'm cutting into 4 rectangular pieces. Now let's assemble. Spreading a layer of our creamy frosting, stacking another piece and repeating for all 4 layers. A final layer of cream and topping it off with almond petals for a beautiful finish. Now, to set everything perfectly, I am refrigerating the cake for 1 hour. This helps the flavors blend beautifully and gives the cake the perfect texture. And there you have it, a soft, healthy and delicious oats and carrot cake with no flour, no sugar and all natural ingredients. Try this at home and let me know in the comments how you liked it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more healthy recipes. See you next time on Cooking Miles. This is Ranjita signing off. Bye bye and take care.